Hi everyone, I'm Elvinus. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Or welcome to my channel if you're a first time viewer. So today I thought I would share with you some of the things that I've been buying. Well, one thing in particular, and I've really been getting into self-care recently and been trying out new products, new makeup, and I really like the look of getting, like the laminated brows. At least I think that's what they're called. Do let me know in the comments. So one of the products that I've been seeing online is this, and it's the Pink Honey Original Superhold for eyebrows. So usually what I do with my eyebrows is like the soap brow thing, so I would get a spoolie, put it into some Pear's transparent soap. Yeah, not translucent soap. Translucent is when you cook onions, isn't it? Yeah. Transparent Pear soap. Rub the spoolie into it, do all I need to do, and then that's it. But I wasn't really keen on that, or I'm not as keen as I am on this stuff, and so I thought I would show you how I achieve this. So yeah, let's get going. I'll get you a little bit zoomed in, so don't be frightened. Whoa, that's super close. So yeah, I've got this Superhold stuff, and I've got the Wonderwax medium dark tint as well, so I thought I would do one on each eyebrow, see which one you think looks the nicest. Now I'll start with this one, okay? It goes on clear, and the smell of it is just absolutely divine. It's bubblegum scented, and if this was edible I would eat it. Don't eat it, it's not edible. It smells so nice. So what you do is you get your little spoolie, you get a little bamboo one supplied with your order, and you wet it. You wet it for the clear stuff, you don't wet it for the colour stuff. And then you put it in there, and you do it for 10 seconds. 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll just grab my little mirror. Where's my little shell mirror? Where has it gone? Where is she? I can't find it. She's hiding. Give me a second. She was hiding underneath some hair. Here she is. So hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So you just take the spoolie, pop it on, going upwards. I think I've maybe put a little bit too much water on this. You just do upwards motions, and whilst you're doing this you'll be able to, oh, it smells so good. Now, depending on how much water you've used, it does set quite quickly, so you need to don't be hanging around, and then you just kind of style it as you would normally. This is how I do mines. And of course I have one eyebrow there that's not playing ball, and I've got, yes cat, I hear you. It's actually a grey hair that's just grown overnight. Thanks very much. And then it's up to you. You can either get a bit of cotton pad or a makeup wipe, or just use your finger and just go around the side so you don't have any residual soap, and then just press them up. See, I really need to get a wax around this area. So bear with me a sec and I'll bring you in just a little bit closer. Hang on. Now, what do you think of that? they're solid, so they're not moving anywhere. And if you want, if you have like eyeshadow and things on coloured eyeshadow, you can use like a flat thin brush and use your eyeshadow of choice and pop in a bit of colour there, or you can use your pomades, or just whatever you like to get in a little bit of colour. So that is the clear one. I really like that one. And now I'll get the Wonderwax one. Here we are. Pretty little tubs, aren't they? So, and then this comes with a little lid inside it. Pop it off. Now with these ones, you don't need to activate it with water. You just pop the spoolie in there, collect as much as you need. There. You can see how it's got colour on it. So this will kind of style your eyebrows and give you a little bit of colour, you know, as you would if you had like like a pomade or whatever you use to fill in your eyebrows. So let's get this one applied. This one is a wee bit more tougher to use. That just makes your eyebrows nice and neat and tidy with a more coloured effect. Wow. See, I always think that my eyebrows, there's not really a lot to them. Yeah, so anything that fills them in, I really like. And then you push upwards. And this one, it's brown and it smells of chocolate. Again, if it was edible, I would eat it, but I wouldn't advise anyone to eat it because it's not for consumption. Yeah, there's that one. So you can see a slight difference, can't you? Compared to that one. Which one is your favourite? Have you tried these? What do you think? Tell me in the comments. It smells really nice. It's like one of those. Sorry, I'm looking for a place to put this pot down. I'll zoom you out and I'll come back for a little chat. There we are. So yeah, that's the two products. I wasn't asked to do this video. I paid for these with my own money. This isn't sponsored or anything. Why would it be? No, I'm just a nobody. I just share things that I really like. Now, I'm autistic, so I have lots of sensory issues, so things that smell good to me really benefit me, as well as acting as good actual products, so I like that about these. What I'll do is, if you want to buy these, I'll link them in the description. They're an indie brand, and they're always, well, when I asked them a few questions, they were really willing to answer. I was unsure on how to apply this Wonderwax, and they just sent me a little video in a DM on Instagram. Yeah, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, I am at willvenus_. I recently changed it so it was easier to say and remember. But yeah, I really like these. If you bear with me a second, I'll tell you how much they cost. Okay, so the original Superhold honey glue for this size pot, which is, well, not pot, it's a jar. Does it tell you how? So the jar is 28 mils and you get a bamboo spoolie and instructions with it. This was $8.99, this one. The chocolate Wonderwax in medium to dark, you get 30 grams of it. It's a cute little tub, isn't it? Pink because it makes everyone wink. So it's cruelty-free, vegan, long-lasting, made in the UK, which is always a bonus. Yeah, so that is £9.99. So yeah, if you want to buy these, I'll leave the links in the description. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hang on, I'll just put these things over there before everything falls. If this video has brought you value, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, subscribe, comment away down below. And if you feel especially kind, share it with your friends. And yeah, if you want to see more videos that are like this, because I've been buying lots of different things, do let me know also in the comments. And I shall see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.